Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this melting effect in Canva. I'm just going to add this in, going to color it black. This is just a square element, and I'm just going to also add this melting element. Just type in melt in Canva and make sure it's the same color as your background. How do I do it without this like line there? Oh, like that probably. Can I? Not there. I'm just going to download this as like an image. And I'm just going to place it back in Canva. I've already downloaded it. Go to elements and type in any fruits or like any food that you want. I'm just going to type in apple. And I'm going to select this apple right here. I'm just going to place this on top as well. I'm going to go to edit image, and I'm also going to select remove background here to remove the white part, and I'm going to try to like adjust it to the apple itself. Like maybe like that. And I'm going to select the background, and I'm going to select this black background here. I might just do that, maybe. Share, download it again. And I'm going to grab that photo, and I'm just going to place it here. Go to edit image, and then, whoops, select background remover again. And that's it. You have your melted image. I'm just going to type in the word apple. You can place like a logo here or something or whatever. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.